Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on this 3D pattern and how you could get it. And if you didn't see that, it's under Corel Draw File Share, but that's what not this one's about. This one be how to print it. And I do not know about other lasers. This is an epilogue print driver, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's just a common print driver. But I've got my epilogue fusion. So when you run a 3D, I've never run this without this, you're going to raster it at whatever speed you feel comfortable. But right up here under advanced, you need to check from basic to 3D and then hit OK and then hit print. I'm not going to hit print because I don't have a laser hooked up to this. And I've really never tried it without, but you're going to get a 3D effect. I don't know if it's built inside the driver, but it works. So you need to change that to 3D. And then once again, if you want that file, it's right here under 3D patterns. And you might want to watch the first one. And I've also shared some other things that I've drawn. And this will keep growing. So just go to Corel Draw File Share. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.